Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Hey, baby.
Well, hi. How you doing, honey?
Not too bad. Should we get started?
Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right.
Hoka hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and Ojibwe culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO. Over here, Hoa, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
BOOZHOO kakina awia. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show.
And today, we have a very special guest, don't we, sweetie?
That's right. Today, our special guest is none other than Wasagi Maingan.
Now, why do they call you the Bitter Wolf? Well, actually, you can call me Sam, mate. Oh, Sam, that's your name? Yes, I have a name. But yeah, they call us the Wasagi Maingan, the Bitter Wolf. I never did like that. You know, I mean, perhaps I am a bit bitter. I don't know. I mean, there's the Maingan, a wolf, right? Uh-huh. And everybody respects the wolf is protected. But the coyote, well, you know, you can legally shoot a coyote. Did you know that? Oh, really? Yeah, I think so. So I suppose I'm a bit bitter. I don't know why they call us that. I'm not bitter, I'm sweet. I'm the sweet wolf. You got your big bad wolf. I'm your sweet little wolf. I'm the little sweet wolf. But now they want to call us the bitter wolf. The Wasagi Maingan. I don't know. Well, that's our Ojibwe word of the day. Oh, is it then? Yep. Wasagi Maingan. Wasagi Maingan. Well, there you go, kids. You learn a little Ojibwe after all. All right. Well, hey, thank you so much for being on our show, Coyote. Yeah. It was nice meeting you, Sam. Oh, the pleasure's all mine, isn't it? Wasagi Maingan, everyone. A bitter wolf.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, oh. Never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again.
Check 1, 2.
I'm never coming back here again.
How you doing,
Never
Sandy?
coming
I'm doing great. How are you?
Bad. Ready to start the show today?
Yeah, you are.
Mind if I drink your coffee? Oh, sweetie, that's really good coffee today. Oh, God, hey, everything is